You gonna come up? Jaws, but Italian version?
I guess.
Sweating. 90 degrees. And sunny. I think they're birds. I don't think crickets are that loud. Okay, help us out. Is this sound birds, bugs, or Sebastian suggested tree frogs?
No, that was a joke.
Anyway, what is that? Because I think it's birds, but we don't see any birds. But I feel like it's too loud to be bugs. It's super loud.
That was definitely a tree frog.
We're now at Lorenzo Quinn's building bridges, his hand sculptures. It took us like 30 minutes to walk here from where we're staying, which felt really long because yeah, it's really hot outside. But we think this place is like closed because I think people normally can like go on this thing to take pictures, but it's closed off and there's literally no one else here. So yeah, it's cool. Lorenzo gave this guy some wrinkly elbows. Look at that. It looks cool though with the reflection in the water.
Yeah, that's the coolest part, I think, in my opinion.
We already dug in, but we got burrata, Aperol Spritz, and I don't know what that is. How is it?
Really?
How is it?
Really?
So you got gnocchi with crab, and I got tagliatelle with truffle and some Parmesan on the side. Good?
I need to try it.
Our first gelato in Italy, and it does not disappoint.
Oh. You want me to hold it?
Am I even in it?
Yeah, you're doing it.
Okay, here is the view from our Airbnb. It's insane. Open the window. That's the clock tower that Spider-Man officially was filmed on. And of course I loved that. Insane. I don't know how we found this Airbnb because it's so central to everything, but we got so lucky. And it's beautiful, has everything we need, and has that view. So pretty.
Right.
Okay, so we got cicchetti.
Which one are
that's
you?
how it's pronounced.
Which one are you most excited for?
Well, we have ricotta with pumpkin,
Interesting.
whitefish, tomato, mozzarella with avocado, and salmon.
I think I'm most comfortable with this one,
Yeah,
and the salmon one probably. But we'll see.
I'm excited.
We'll see what the
And-
whitefish and pumpkin tastes like.
We're in the shade, of course, because it's too hot to sit in the sun. And this is our view.
This could be an ad for Coke. Coca-Cola.
Alright, let's try it. So the place we got the cicchetti from is actually where the guy who was on our overnight train with us, who's lived here several years. Wow. On our overnight train there was a passenger who was in the same car as us, who's lived here for several years. And he wrote us a list of his recommendations, and this was one of them. We're going with the one we're most comfortable with first.
Take your second bite first, because I'm just gonna throw the whole thing in there, keeps it locked in, you know? Alright, pretty good. I have no idea what this cheese is. It's good.
Good?
It's like a cream cheese. Fluffy. It's good.
We just did the salmon one, and it was really fishy. It was really good, but like, I'm not used to that much fish.
Ready?
Yeah. I'm scared. Is it really fishy?
I'm trying to keep a straight face because I want to be polite now to these people walking by, but not for me. Nope.
If it's not for you, then there's no way it's for me.
Yep,
There's
I'm gonna
no
need
way.
that Coke, Kitty.
Yeah, go for it. Oh no. But we have to try. Yeah, we have to try. Stopped by our Airbnb for a little break because our legs are so tired. We have our water here, so luckily our Airbnb is very central, so we can come back and rest when we need. But one question, why do so many people smell?
Oh my god.
Like it's hot, so yeah, everyone's sweating, but
it like leaves a trail.
But there's like a trail of BO.
Yeah, you just smell it the whole time. It's absurd.
Yeah, I don't really get it. And it's made me scared because I'm like, is it me? But no, there's like a lot of people who are kind of stinky. Last look. Pasta to go.
Oh, yours looks really good actually. I'm hella trying to try yours.
Fresh pasta to go. I got something with pesto and you got something with bolognese.
Very good.
With a view. How is it?
Very, very good. Very fresh.
It's really fresh, yeah. God, it's so hot. We were walking past the Rialto Bridge. Here it is. And as we were walking through that like archway, in the water was a seagull ripping apart.
Oh, it already,
like a
ripped,
pigeon.
It already ripped it apart, yeah.
Yeah, ripping apart a pigeon. It was like the pigeon was like drowning in the water and the seagull was just like nipping at it.
Nipping
And I
at
was like,
its
is
belly.
it saving it or is it eating it?
No.
It was eating it.
Yeah.
Yeah, good thing we saw that after dinner.
Yeah.
Not that we had meat, but still, oh my god. I like didn't want to watch, but I couldn't stop watching.
He's actually playing the harmonica, or whatever that thing's called.
The recorder.
Yeah, accordion.
Accordion. Oops.
What's it called?
Accordier. Because I was thinking of a recorder.
Recorder?
Recorder.
Oh, like what?